welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and today I have a look on my face with the moon prism blush as my bronzer and my blush, and then on my eyes we have mostly a little ray of sunshine, and it's a really super cute look. I have another video with this in it. Just look around. If it's not up, it will be up soon. So I hope you enjoy that. But today, Rhonda's talking about her Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you're my old friend. Boy, this is not hardly sealed at all. I haven't even opened this. Ooh, and I get a draw. This is a much nicer bag than last month's bag. Like, I can actually see me using this as a gift bag. Put something in and give it to someone. That's very nice. And I don't know if we get a card. We do get a card. Does it say what's in it? No. Damn it. I almost printed out everything that was in it, but I didn't. I suck. And I do my phone, I record my videos on my phone, so we just have to go with what I have here. So I hope you enjoy, because I enjoy. Hope we enjoy together. Yeah, yeah, she. All right, Gold Fountain MD Brightening Elixir. Yes, we'll take a closer look. It says Protect and Repair Brightening Serum, Ferulic, Ferulic acid, vitamin C, vitamin B, and E. Dr. Goldfund's Advanced Brightening and Antioxidant Serum works to help against photoaging and free radical damage while leaving skin feeling hydrated and looking radiant. Who doesn't want radiant skin? Boosts hydration, increases radiance, reduces the appearance of discoloration and redness, minimizes the appearance of fine lines. Very nice. It is in a busted ass box, but I don't let that bother me as long as the actual bottle is in good shape. Well, maybe I should open it from the busted ass end because it looks like it's harder to open from the top. And this looks like a nice size, and this is of 1 ounce, which is the standard size for most serums and foundations and things. And it's very nice looking. I'm very excited about it because I always like to have lots of face stuff, lots of skincare on hand. I used to not be so worried about that. And then I got older and then I started to care. And speaking of starting to care, I also have the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizing Broad Spectrum SPF. And I've got a couple of these, but it's always good to have more on hand because everyone needs. It's kind of funny. This is Essential C because when you use skincare with vitamin C, you're more likely to get sun damage, but it's got a sunscreen component. So it says reveal radiance and protect skin from UV damage with this vitamin C rich SPF moisturizer. Potent antioxidant ginkgo biloba leaf extract helps shield skin from environmental aggressors such as pollen. No, pollen is so aggressive. My eyes look like pollen. But it says pollution for a glowing, healthy looking complexion. Applied liberally to face, face, neck, and chest. And let's take a look at what it looks like. I bet you it looks like a tube. I'd lay money down. I bet you it's a damn tube. It's a tube. Most of this comes in bottles or tubes. So that was kind of a sucker's bet. Sucker! Anyway, this is very nice to have. And you should use sunscreen all year round. And I used to be really good about it. And now I suck at it. Because even the sun can get you from your windows. Even if you think the sun's not getting you, it's out to get you. The sun wants to eat your skin and give you cancer. That's not scientific facts, it's just me. So that's 2. Now the third thing is what I chose, which is Pure Heals Centella 80 eye cream because I always use eye creams and I'm happy to try different eye creams. Right now I'm using a Murad eye cream. And this says with 80% Centella azatica complex extract and adenosine, this powerful eye cream effectively helps hydrate, lift, firm, and plump up the jams. No, plump up your eye lines, or the lines around your eye area. Also, necromenicides helps brighten dark circles. No, it's just niacinamides. Not I'm necro. What am I trying to like make it like a necromancer, like raising stuff from the dead? Maybe this will raise your lids, your eye lines from the dead, and bury them and give you smooth skin again. Yeah. And these are all like over $30 a piece. And I have two more things. This next thing is from Wet. It says the cute Kumquat BFF3s, Ultra Satin Lip, Kumquat Ultra Lip Gloss, and BFF3. And this is from ColourPop. And this is the Wet set from Bretman, whatever his name is. And I totally love ColourPop, and I like ColourPop lip stuff. So this is totally a hit. Ooh, a beautiful clear gloss. Ah, yeah. Sexy. Very nice. I'm collecting glosses now and lip pencils. And this may be a little too pale for me because I am so fair. So this is going to go in a giveaway. But this lip pencil is totally up my alley. It is a pretty brown. And it'll go with the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. It'll look great under a lip gloss. So this part of the 3-part set is going to go in a giveaway. Woo! I'll just put that in the giveaway box right there. So one more thing. But wait, there's more. Man. So pretty and shiny and not sticky. Smells vanilla, tastes like nothing. Sounds like people I dated. Don't tell Rome. That was bad. We have the, I was just like, whatever, I'll just take it. The Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette from Seraphine Botanicals. I don't know anything about Seraphine Botanicals. Is this plastic sealed? It is plastic sealed. So this is fresh. Never been touched by my hands before. Doesn't matter if I tear the box up because I just want the palette. Damn, this is some hardcore. I'm like tearing this shit up. Here we go. Woo! You would think this is Fort Knox. I hope this doesn't suck. After all this work, I hope it's amazing. Because I love amazing things. Nice and tight in there. It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. It's just super pretty. Oh, this is a nice palette. I don't know that I'm going to keep it. But I'll take this away. But it is beautiful. It'd be a great, nice, natural palette for someone. Especially if someone doesn't have a lot of makeup. This is a great starter palette. And this will also go in my giveaways, but it goes in a different place than the giveaway bucket. It goes in the giveaway drawer. So where was I raised? A barn? I never raised a barn, but I've raised a kitten. Meow. Yeah, random. If you're not used to random Rhonda by now, I don't know what you're used to. So we got this beautiful, nice, simple, basic palette. We got a nice 3-piece lip set, which I like 2 out of 3, which is great. I actually like the 3rd part, but I just know I'll look like a dead person. I love this bag. This bag is super nice. We got eye cream. We got a moisturizer with sunscreen, and we got a really nice elixir. I'm gonna call it a serum because it's more like a serum than an elixir. I don't know if it's an elixir. Is there like scientific data that makes it an elixir instead of a serum? I don't know. It's above my pay grade. Pay grade is what whenever you look at some of my ads, that's what I get paid. But I'm glad to be here, and I have fun doing it, and I'm always glad to get such good stuff. And actually, at first I wasn't very excited about this bag, but after I've unboxed it and read all about it, this is all really good stuff, and it was only $25. So that's a bargain at any price. It's a bargain. Everything here except for this, well, I don't know how much the palette was, but 3 out of the 5 things were worth more than $30. I don't have the price list, I'm sorry. But I guarantee you gold fondant is probably like 40, 50 bucks. This is at least 30. And this is like 40 or something. So you get your money's worth out of this box. I really like it. I like that I get to choose 3 things out of 5. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better choices next month. But I'm not mad. Look at that lip gloss. It's so pretty. Wow, pretty. Have a lovely day. What day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.